Ready? Four, two. Balik. Ay, hindi balik.
Kasi nagkindi dia. Kasi nagkindi. Isa lang. Sakit.
Ladies and gentlemen, mag-ingay ang kagaf. First stroke. Side naman ay two stroke disillusion. The first to defend is the two stroke disillusion. Time starts. Kamayan. First affirmative, two stroke. To start, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Let's introduce the two-stroke engine. The Ocean Workhorse delivers massive and steady power for weeks or months from beach to end. It's built for endurance, heavy loads, crossing ocean from one continent to the other, which you takes twice to travel. Lakas to boy, two-stroke produces power every revolution. You take 2 revolutions to produce power. You're slow. Pas mga produce power, dinisipad sa inyo nga, dugay. Compact, lightweight. Dinisipad sa inyo nga, dakora, pabugat pa. So mas less na karga. So karga mo. Wala may kapan sa kargada. Just like a workhorse, it's not flashy. It's reliable and strong. It's indispensable for big jobs. Simpler, easier to repair. It's cheaper to manufacture. It's cheaper to manufacture and can run lower grade fuels. Well, you use expensive fuels. It's expensive. No, mayaman yan. Lower grade fuels means more profit. Sa inyo, puro lang gastos. Gaway ang profit. This is the best. Two-stroke is the best. Time.
1 minute.
Disco.
1 minute for the break. Starts now. Time. First battle for four-stroke diesel engine. The run starts now.
Ocean Workhorse? What a great thing! of shipping. You know what? So you said two-stroke is passing power revolution. You know what? We're not telling you that every revolution is when you rushing cycle idol so that means less time for proper scavenging and combustion. That's why we open piston fuel. Unlike our four-stroke Ras motor, because each stroke has its own dedicated phase, intake, compression, power, and exhaust. So it takes time for air and fuel mixing, and so it complete combustion. That would lead to less fuel waste. That's why it lasts longer between overhauls and burns fuel cleaner, saving your maintenance and keeping the iron mo on your back. Magkapareho nga lang kayo. Yung damit mo ginagawa mong tabon para hindi matakpan yung hindi ka naliligo. Our first stroke is bulkier, but its design means for stability, better balance, and optimized fuel economy. Remember, shipping is not just fast. It's about slowly and surely. Starts now.
For the second round, give it up to two-stroke engine. Diesel engine. Time start now.
So, yes, four-stroke are efficient. However, there are different factors we need to look at. So, let's talk about the engine. Imagine, we got two friends at a party. Okay. So, we can say four-stroke is the one who brings the salad, while the two-stroke brings the grill. Okay, so when it comes to powering massive ships like merchantmen, the vessels ensemble, bulk carriers, and submarine carriers, two-stroke engines are built for heavy duty. That they generate huge amount of torque, which is basically pulling power and with fewer moving parts, unlike the four-stroke. So that means that maintenance and more reliable in long distance sea voyages. So now people argue that two-stroke are worse. Why? Because, for example, it's the environment. That's why smaller ships prefer to use four-stroke. So this time, this is a modern day. Two-stroke diesel engine has adapted. So we use scrubbers to clean the exhaust. And we use exhaust gas recirculation to reduce the gas emission. So that two-stroke meets the IMO standard. So also, two-stroke engine can run on heavy fuel oil, which is much cheaper than refined fuel that four-stroke uses. So, in short, two-stroke engine is stronger, simpler, and built to handle rough stuff than four-stroke.
Time. Our second round, rebuttal from the four-stroke diesel engine starts now.
Round 2, eh?
Okay.
Fewer moving parts. Actually, that's cute. But fewer moving parts doesn't mean fewer problems. It means bigger problems, meaning something just go wrong. And let's talk fuel. Yes, you can burn the cheap stuff, but at what cost to the environment and your engine lifespan? We four strokes are the clean, refined gentlemen of the seas. Less smoke, less wheel, and we don't need a floating oil refinery just to keep the cylinder from looking like a barbecue pit. Okay. Wala na, wawaningan ko lang sila. Two-stroke laban sa four-stroke. Desperado itong mga tanga na to eh. Desperado na panalo daw sila. Di pa nagsisimula yung debate, sinasabi nila panalo na sila. E pag-usapan pa lang natin yung fuel efficient, di na kayo uumra! Bawat litro ng diesel ng 4-stroke, hatid ay layo at sigurado. E yung sa inyo, yung 2-stroke, usok lang yung regalo! Tahimik na yung order natin, kahit yung gahi ay malayo. E yung sa inyo, wala lang, usok lang yung regalo. Di nga makarating sa dulo kasi palit ng pisa. 4-stroke engine namin ay matatag. Parang relasyon na forever. Yung 2-stroke nyo, panandalian lang, pang one stand ng mga rider. Kaya ito, tandaan nyo ha, pag makinahusapan, yung 4-stroke engine, hindi nyo na matatalo yan. Kaya sa mundo ng makina, ang 4-stroke engine ang tunay na hari. Kasi reliable, efficient, di na kailangan ng papuri. Yung sa inyo, mausok, madali lang mapundi. Kaya sa pagtatapos ng debate, time. Kaya sa mundo ng makina, ang 4-stroke engine ang tunay na hari. Reliable, efficient, di na kailangan ng papuri. Yung sa inyo, mausok, madali lang mapundi. Kaya sa pagtatapos ng debate, ipapaalala na namin na kampiyon ng 4-stroke engine at mapapasabi namin na yung 2-stroke na walang silbi! Marami mo kasi.
Kanila pong bato.
Now, to start our third round. Let's give it up to two-stroke diesel engine. Time starts now.
Ano sinasabi mo gentleman of the sea? So, ano sinasabi ng gentle of the sea? So, gentle kayo, ang hihina nyo naman.
Kami naman ang pamilyang Raff. Gilbert Raff. Bagay Raff. Prince Raff. George Raff. Bakit Raff? Kasi kami masasarap. We're the work horses that do the job while you're busy polishing your image. Kaya namin tumakbo ng ilang buwan na walang hintuan at walang maintenance. Kaya wag na kayong pumalag pa. Baka sa akin magkaroon ngayon ng isang Kaya wag na kayong pumalag sa amin. Baka magkaroon kayo ng isang job sa akin. Kahit marami sa Diyos sa salubong sa amin, papagpagin lang namin. Habang kayo nakatingin lang sa amin dahil hindi makasabay ang mga pagbatin. Kaya huwag nang maingay pa. Ito mo si Makayan.
Third round of battle, let's give it up to Sarijan the Kraken from four-stroke diesel engine.
Apat ang galaw.
Time starts now.
Apat ang galaw, pero ang first stroke armado. Dito lang ng iba, na todo ang ingay, pero palyado! Ang sistema ang lungs, biyahe smooth at maayos. Dito lang ng two-stroke. Yung palyado na mausok, gastos pa sabi mo sa linya, two-stroke ang balance stop 4 months without maintenance. Isa ka talagang dakilang bobo! Kaya kang hindi nag-research, paano yan tatagal? Wala naman kayong lubrication system. Oil mixed with fuel lang, prone to wear and tear. You're basically saying that storms are your playground. That explains the heat of clouds you leave behind. Usok na kasing itim ng singit mo! Ito. Sabi ni Batan, lightweight at simple. Sabi ni Batan, lightweight at simple. Kami madami ang parts pero matibay. Anong silbi ng lightweight at simple kung palyado at madumi? Kasing dumi ng mukha mo! Sabi ni Batan na mahal ang 4-stroke. Mas mahal ang gagastusin nyo pag inuli kayo dahil sa pollution nyo. We are modern, adaptable, unsuited for ferries, cruise ships, and offshore vessels. We are up-tuned and passenger lungs matter.
1 minute starts now. Ilang pulos di ba kaya? Mabalik ko kang Gilbert. Bert, alam mo na Bert ha? Mabalik ko man eh. seconds.
Ano, attendance?
Bigay, nag-attendance na. Time. So it starts for the fourth round. Let's give it up to two-stroke diesel engine. Time starts now.
Passenger lines. Our ship carry cargo, not spam and gas. Two-stroke are about delivering goods, literally like keeping cost in check. Yes, we born marine food, fast food, but that's become its cost effective and globally available. Plus, our design allows slower RPM, but that's direct drive to the propeller. No gearbox, no extra losses. Just strong and efficiency in the propulsion power. You guys need more parts to get even moving, and more parts mean more headaches. Ken, you said slower and surely. Two-stroke diesel engine ay kaya magbigay ng malaking torque kahit sa mababang engine speed. Kaya mas effective ito at mas efficient. Kapag ipakinabang ang two-stroke dahil ito ay marine propulsion, kaya kung saan mahalaga ang mas malakas na tulak sa mas mababang RPM. Kaya mababa rin ang fuel consumption. Pops Francis, lifespan. Ang two-stroke engine ay disenyo para sa heavy duty at continuous operation sa loob ng maraming taon. Ang two-stroke diesel engine is like a relationship. If you keep it, kung kaya mo algahin, kaya ito magtagal sa mahabang panahon.
One minute break starts now. Now, for the fourth round rebuttal, let's give it up to Brent Bass Lightyear. Time starts now.
Hindi na nga maubos. Yung power, kanina pa pinag-iabang ng mga tupad. Alam niyo naman, di ba? Narinig sa kanila, pinag-iabang ngayon. Ang bisyo. Yun lang ba kaya yung gawin? Palik. Pwede mo po sa Sumawan na.
2 minutes na yun. Wala na 2 minutes. 2 minutes na rin.
2 minutes break.
Ha? 2 minutes na lang sa rin.
Ah, sige, sige.
Stop ko lang tayo. Time continues in 3, 2, 1.
Itong two-stroke na engine, gumagamit ng iba-ibang fuel. Mura, gumagamit sila. Samantala kami four-stroke, gumagamit ng diesel. Pero, mas efficient pa rin kami sa kanila. Kasi, yung sa four-stroke na engine, kami ay may complete na combustion process na nagresulta ng mas maliit na unburned fuel, tapos may high thermal efficiency compared sa kanila. Tapos yung sa four stroke naman, pagdating sa IMO, tagilid sila. Kasi palagi sila ang tawag ito? So, kanina pinili ako nila yung power. Importante naman talaga yung power. Pero importante din naman yung flexibility ng engine, hindi lang yung power. Tapos, pagdating sa kaya namin mag-adapt sa iba-ibang
Last na nyo. Ano siya? Itu ba, kailan na po na? Wala na ka. Tapos ka na. Buat ko naman siya eh.
For the final step, we have
Nag-prepare ka?
Bila sir,
Ano lang, para ikaw last.
Sige,
Sayang, di prepare.
Bigyan, ibahin mo sa akin.
For a moment of redemption, give it up for Kent Gerald Argelius, representing four-stroke diesel engine. Time starts now.
Pagkarin mo, massive power. Ano, strong ka? Ikis mo nga siya? So, first stroke, complete combustion kami. Kaya nga madahan. Oo nga, gusto namin dahan-dahan. Para mas satisfying ang performance. Mabilis ang tapos final na agad. Sabi mo kanina, rap ka? Oo nga, pagmumukha mo, rap. Sabayin ko na kayo dalawa kasi sabi niya maintenance. So, about maintenance. Your troubleshooting is easier by isolating issues to specific stroke, allowing plan servicing that prevents catastrophic mid-junction failures. So sa amin, alam kung saan dapat yung tumayin. Para hindi yung bara-bara lang na tapos magugulat kung saan na overheat. Eh sabi mo, nasa yung kaapa. Sabi mo, no gear box. Sinadya namin yun para use gear reduction to match propeller speed, giving us flexibility to operate efficiently across different speed and visual styles. So madaling salita, kayo lagi isa lang posisyon. Kami kaya sa ahon, sa patag, at rapsis. Yung sa last. Masyado kang maingay. Tanura na nun. Masyado kang maingay. Sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? IMO of your back. Ang bado mo, ginagawa mong pagtabon kasi di ka naliligo. Di ba? Sabi ko kanina. So, ocean workhouse, you're just a wasting fuel and it's still clear. Those who fail to adapt, sing out, sing. Okay, time na time.
The final break. This debate starts now.
Okay?
Give it up for our final statement of this debate. I present to you Gilbert Ibatan from the two-stroke diesel engine. Time starts now.
Okay, tapos na kayo magsalita? Ha? Sabi mo, gentle, nanginginig ka naman. Ito, 3 pages for you bitches. Different lessons. Cleaner and greener daw. Flexible daw. Yet they skip the part where most of the world's heavy cargo rides on two-stroke engine. Hindi ayay mo yung nasa likod ko. Yung whole cargo shipping. Rinig mo? Ha? Two-stroke engines, shipping is business. More cargo means more money. You say we're inefficient. What a joke. Efficiency is task-based. It's not an emission per hour. You look at emission per unit of time. We look for the job done. You see, you can finish the job faster than you do. You're slow. You're gentle but slow. You keep saying you're following environmental rules, but that's in the past, boy. Magmumpun ka, wala tayo sa 90s. Huwag kang manatili sa nakaraan. We're modern. Technologies are advancing. You see? But that's in the past, boy. We've adapted. We've changed and proved that we can take care of the environment too. Kaya namin mag-alaga, hindi tulad sa inyo. Huwag manatili sa nakaraan. Okay ka? Huwag manatili sa nakaraan. Yan kay, yung mga mali sa nakaraan yung tinitingnan mo. hindi yung mga pagbabago na ginawa para sa iyo. Cowboy, you paint us as polluters. When you burn more fuel fighting the storm, mahina ka hindi mo kaya yung bagyo. Mahina, boy. Kuya. Kuya.
Open time, open time.
You dream of hybrid setups and flexibility. Masyado mong pinuha yung pagiging gentle mo. Kaya nakakalimutan ka na. Yung napag-iiwanan ka. Yung nag-prepare ka masyado kang maraming parts. Eh ano ngayon? Wala na, hindi mo alam. Tayo ba kamali? Gentle daw. Nindot pamati yun. But kuya, we're in the modern world. We don't stay old. We can adapt. You see, two-stroke engines, the modern ones, run in dual light fuel. You see, we're keeping up too. We're keeping up too. We're not gonna be left behind. And you said, done. Your two-stroke are compact. Your first stroke. Compact. Yes. You're bigger. More parts. And there's less maintenance daw. Pero pag masira yung engine nyo, ano kayo? Goodbye. Manghihingi pa kayo ng tulong. Kasi, pag sa barko, pag may bagyo sa barko, may bagyo, tapos masiraan kayo, wala na. Goodbye na. Nada. We use fuel, this is cheaper. So who's spending the most? Yo, kahit amo, ang mas dagang gastos kay, ingon mo, mas cheapang inyo kay less maintenance. Yung amo is less fuel. Tapos, gusto nyo yung mura? Pollution. You all keep saying about pollution. Are you forgetting about exhaust gas recirculation? Exhaust gas treatment and scrubbers that strip out the pollutants? Huh? You're not doing your research. You're just spouting nonsense. There are no... I don't mean no harm. This is just for educational purposes. Educational purposes. Usok daw, sabi nila usok. Kung nananatili kayo sa nakarani, nagbabago na lahat. May direct fuel injection, direct oil injection that injects this fuel and oil where it's supposed to be. Hindi kami nagsasayang. Tayo.
Ano bang sabihin? Walang mananalo, walang matatalo. Dapat magsaya tayo lahat dahil tayo lahat ay kalbo!
Here are the pros and cons for both sides. Two-stroke engine built for endurance, lightweight and compact, fast, less expensive, easy for maintenance, built for heavy duty, less maintenance and more reliable, minimize energy consumption. And for the four-stroke, less time consumption in terms of scavenging, optimization of fuel economy, clean, refined, less emission, can handle different types of weather condition and environmental sustainability. And then, tapos na.
Okay. O, balik sa inyo ng kuranan.